Thanksgiving dinner has a pretty standard format. There's the turkey, and then there's all the sides that surround the turkey. People don't like it when you mess with it, but I'm going to anyway. We're going to make a fast food inspired Thanksgiving dinner, complete with stuffing breaded turkey nuggets, sweet potato fries, and a cranberry barbecue dipping sauce. The first thing we're gonna do is make our dry brine for the turkey. We're gonna be using 2 tablespoons of fine sea salt, 1 tablespoon of plain table sugar, and 2 teaspoons of MSG for that fast food vibe. Now we're gonna set this aside for 10 minutes and let the dry brine do its thing. Turkey without stuffing just isn't Thanksgiving. To make sure these nuggets read as Thanksgiving nugs, we're gonna bread them with store-bought pulverized stuffing mix, then mix it with a little bit of regular flour, some thyme, some sage, some garlic powder, and a little bit of powdered sugar. To set up our breading station, we're gonna make an egg wash and combine 1 whole egg with a tablespoon of whole milk. Then we're gonna take our nuggets, which have been nice and brined, and then we're gonna blot them off to remove excess moisture. Then we're just gonna take the nugs, dip them in the egg wash, then throw them in our breading. So now that our nuggets and our fingers are nice and breaded, we're just gonna leave these in the bowl while we heat our oil. You wanna fill a high-wall Dutch oven or stainless steel pot with a couple inches of oil. Now that our oil has reached 360 degrees, we're gonna give the nuggets one more toss in the breading mixture. Some of the moisture will soak through that first layer, and just one more toss will give us an extra thick coating. Now we're just gonna fry these 3 to 5 minutes. Now that these are nice and golden brown, we're gonna take them out of the oil and get them on some paper towels to drain. These nuggets wouldn't be Thanksgiving nuggets without a traditional dipping sauce made with cranberry, barbecue, and just a little bit of yellow mustard. And Thanksgiving without some form of sweet potato would be an utter travesty. What we have here is a meal with all the flavors of Thanksgiving in a format that children, the very lazy, or the painfully hungover can enjoy.